So have you been beating around the bush lately? This is indeed a very unusual expression. Basically, it's a popular English idiom used when someone is avoiding the main point or not addressing a problem directly. Like when you want to ask your boss for a raise, but instead, you start talking about how much you enjoyed the last team outing. Yep, you're beating around the bush. Now, where did this phrase come from? It dates back to the early 1400s. Originally, it comes from bird hunting. Back in the day, hunters hired men to help them catch birds. These men would literally beat the bushes to flush the birds out into the open. However, they had to avoid bushes where birds were nesting, hence, beating around the bush rather than going straight into it. This wasn't just a literal term, it quickly became a metaphor for avoidance. By the 16th century, it was already being used in literature to describe people who were avoiding the main issue, just like our modern usage. Isn't it fascinating how an expression from the Middle Ages is still so relevant today? Next time you catch yourself or someone else beating around the bush, you'll know exactly where that phrase comes from. And maybe you will tackle the conversation head-on instead. Alright, that wraps up our quick exploration of beat around the bush. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your day. Please don't forget to stay curious, and we will see you in the next one.